All right, y'all, what's going on? About to load these up. This POV right here, y'all see the reflection? Let's see how it is. This is the first time I'm wearing this thing. Y'all get a chance to see how it look when I'm tweaking. So yeah, I like to use the mirrors. Some people stick out the window, but I use the mirrors. And as long as I'm following my lines over here, I know I'm good over there. Allegedly, I should be good over there. Whoops. I don't really know where this thing is pointing at. But anyway. So I'm hugging this driver's side a little bit more now. So when you get out and look and see, you'll see the gap over there. It'll be huge. Come on, go up, window. Everything's set. I'm squeezing my butt out, which is sitting. I gotta put some them little swimming pool noodles on that and tape it off so it can have the cushion. See all that room? Hug the heck out of that over there. Nope. Gotta make sure you keep looking down too, so you'll know, mess around and trip on something. So now this one, I'll hang out the window. Said, if I'm on my line there, I know I'm good over there. And boom, right there. I'm good. Pick that up. Power it on. Hold on right here is what I normally do. Grab this, and if it has a rail, I come up here and hold that. Squeeze my buttocks by, make sure I have something to grip. The strap on that side is broke, so won't be one putting on there today. My story is, I ordered some, I'm waiting for them to come in. table up a little bit, slide it back, somewhat like in the middle of those two white lines. Somewhere right there. Now I know I should be clear enough to be able to go down without it hitting. Bam. Then I'll slide that table back from that to that third white line. That white line right there is for the top deck. That third one is for the bottom. Somewhere right there. Then I'll bring it all the way down. Bam, there you go. Come on over here. Snug everything up. Let that down right there. This is my regular routine, the way I do it. Come up over there. I use this right here. That's why it's messed up, because when I pick this up, this sits on top here and this thing eats it up, so it saves my straps. I done ran through a couple straps because of that, so I use that. This is normally for the tire. So when you slide that out to that line, that's where that sits. On that one, I call that RA tight. I think he go a little tighter than that. Now we pick this deck up, then we get ready to slide that one in. That pretty much comes all the way in, the little piston ram. That one's prepped. Bring this one up. Should be enough room for the other one to squeeze in there. So let's go and get that one in here. Pretty good. So now this is one of those ones that I sit right there and do in the rear view. If you're still recording, I don't know if you are, or the side view mirror rather more. I'll take you off and see if you're still recording. I guess you most likely you are still.